Hello, so this is the cut and paste activity. If you don't have this in your worksheet, then you're doing a different worksheet in for your work packet. It's the think page, which is the other video you can watch. So cut and paste activity. We are first going to cut out the icons here at the bottom so that we can match them to the correct ones over here. Sorry, there's some noise coming from downstairs if you hear that banging sound. So let us look at our words or the icons. I'll go over each one. So the first one we're going to match is an icon of a sidewalk. So the sidewalk is where sidewalk. It's right outside our homes. It's where people can walk safely so that they don't get hit by a car. And it's where most people walk. Some people decorate. They might draw on the sidewalk. Yeah. So which icon is the same as sidewalk? Sidewalk. That's the sidewalk. The next word or the next icon is our word happiness, which is one of our vocabulary words, the state of being happy. Can we find happiness? We have happiness, a very happy, smiley person. The next word here is the word share. So share is to give what we have to others. If I want to share some food with you because I see that you might enjoy the snack that I'm having, I can give you some. Share. And which icon is share? Share. Our next icon is a rainbow, right? Rainbows are what we see sometimes in the sky when it's been raining and then the sun comes out. It's also what we see in our garden sometimes when we're watering with the hose and we see a rainbow appear. Can we see the word rainbow? Rainbow. The next word is home. That's one of our vocabulary words for the week. Home. Home can be where you live. It can look different to different people, but it's where you are. Home. Which icon is the same as home? Home. The next word we have is, it's right here. It is a window. Something that people are doing to share happiness is they're putting teddy bears, at their windows. So kids can go on a bear hunt and see how many bears they can find in the neighborhood. Put on our windows. Windows. Which icon is the same as windows? Window. This word is another vocabulary word, neighborhood. Neighborhood. So, neighborhood is where there's lots of buildings and homes, houses in an area grouped together. Which one is neighborhood? I have neighborhood. We see the group of houses here, buildings. So that means our last one here is music, right? We have I want to say a tuba, and we have guitar. And people are playing music outside their homes, in their yards, right outside their front doors to spread happiness to their neighbors. Music is our last one. So we found sidewalk, happiness, share, rainbow, home, window, neighborhood, and music.